Peace, everyone. Today's YouTube video, we're going to talk about an overview of the NACA program. I happen to have been a participant and purchased my 3-unit family through the NACA program, and I've also have been a licensed loan officer that was able to help 84 families close on their purchase through the NACA program. So, are you ready to buy a home but worried about high interest rates, down payments, and closing costs? What if I told you there's a way to own your home with no down payment, no closing costs, and an interest rate that beats the market? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because today we're talking about NACA's Best in America's Mortgage Program. NACA, the best mortgage in America is what they say. NACA, the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, offers an incredible mortgage program designed to make homeownership affordable and accessible, especially for those with low to moderate incomes. Let's break it down. NACA home purchase options. With NACA, you can purchase a wide range of property types. Whether you're looking for a single family, I've helped people purchase condos, you could purchase a co-op, or even multifamilies like myself, up to 4 units properties. NACA has you covered. You can even buy a fixer-upper. Now, this ain't HGTV because you got the hand department and they can get really sticky. So you got to stick within the limits. But can you purchase a property that does need some additional fixes? Yes, you can. That's right. No down payment. 100% financing. While most lenders require a chunk of cash up front, NACA's mortgage provides 100% financing, meaning you do not need to save thousands of dollars before owning your dream home. Another big win, no closing costs. Typically, these can add up to thousands of dollars, but with NACA, the lender pays them for you. And no, they're not rolled into your loan, it's real savings. And I've seen it on the documents when I've closed these loans, and I've seen it myself firsthand. Below market fixed interest rates can make or break your mortgage payment, but NACA offers a below market fixed interest rate plus an additional 1% to 0.5% reduction for members with low to moderate incomes or those purchasing in designated areas. And if you want an even lower rate, NACA allows you to buy your interest rate down permanently. That means just paying 1.5% of the loan amount can reduce your interest rate by 0.25%, saving you thousands over time. And I can testify to that. My interest rate is a fixed 2.675 for a 30-year mortgage. Speaking of the fixed terms, we have a 15, we have a 20, or a 30-year. NACA offers fixed term mortgages, no surprise payments, just a stable and predictable monthly cost. Choose between a 30-year, 20-year, 15-year term based on your budget and goals. Now, that's not including your utilities or your user fees. Those are all separate. Unlike traditional lenders, NACA does not charge points or fees. What you see is what you get. No points, no fees. Credit score is not considered. Think you need a perfect credit score? Think again. NACA does not use a credit score to determine your eligibility. Instead, they look at your actual payment history. That means even if you had a financial struggle, homeownership is still within your reach. Now, the keys on that we'll go into and dig deeper on our next videos. However, just keep in mind, you can't have no more than 2 most recent late payments, more than 30 days each, and or no charge-offs or collections within the most recent 2 years that are not paid off. No mortgage insurance. And here's a big one. No mortgage insurance. Unlike traditional loans where private mortgage insurance, which they call PMI, adds hundreds to your monthly payment, NACA skips those unnecessary costs. That's more money in your pocket. And PMI doesn't really protect you as a homeowner. It protects the banks. Renovations and repair funds. Want to buy a home that needs work? NACA lets you repair and renovate costs into your mortgage. You won't even have to make payments for your first 6 months while renovations are underway. And NACA supports you throughout the process to make sure your home is safe and up to code. And they do that for sure. That's the hand department. Refinance with renovation funds. Already own a home? NACA also offers refinancing options with funds for repairs, helping you address structural and safety issues without the high cost of a traditional loan. So, whether you're a first-time home buyer, looking to upgrade, or need a refinance, NACA's Best in Home Mortgage Program makes homeownership truly affordable. No down payment, no closing costs, no fees, no PMI, and a below-market interest rate that's fixed. It doesn't get any better than this. So, want to learn more? Please like and subscribe, comment any questions that you have. I'm not somebody that's on YouTube just talking about the NACA program from the perspective of being a buyer. I'm also talking about the NACA program from being a perspective of a licensed loan officer who has closed 84 loans all throughout the state of New York. So, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.